Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Amortiguadores Delanteros is probably one of the most crucial components for your vehicle's suspension system, directly impacting ride comfort, handling, and overall safety on the road, ensuring a smooth and stable driving experience even on uneven terrain, making it an essential part of your car's performance and your peace of mind during every journey. Number 5. Autosaver 88 Front Complete Strut Assembly for Civic and EL. Upgrade your ride with our complete strut assembly, designed for a perfect fit. Ensure a smooth and stable driving experience for your vehicle. Installation is a breeze thanks to the direct fit buckle holes. You can replace your old struts quickly and safely without complex disassembly. This comprehensive package includes everything you need: struts, springs, mounts, and all necessary hardware. All components are built to meet high-performance standards. These struts are direct replacements for multiple part numbers, ensuring compatibility. Refer to the description for a full list of compatible numbers. If your vehicle makes strange noises, sags under load, leaks, or is hard to control, it's time for a replacement. Restore stability and handling with these new struts. For optimal results and safety, professional installation is highly recommended. Let the experts ensure your new struts are fitted perfectly. What we like. This option offers a straightforward installation process, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts or those seeking a quick replacement. It comes as a complete package, ensuring you have all necessary components for a hassle-free upgrade. If you're looking for a convenient and comprehensive solution for your Civic or EL, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for the vehicle, ensuring proper installation and functionality. These shock absorbers significantly improve the vehicle's handling and stability, providing a smoother ride. The durable construction of the shock absorbers guarantees long-lasting performance and reliability. Number 4. OREDY Front Struts for Toyota Corolla 1.8L, 2009 to 2013. Introducing OREDY Front Struts, specifically designed for your 2009 to 2013 Toyota Corolla 1.8L USA-built model. These are engineered to meet OE standards for a superior ride. This kit includes 2 fully pre-assembled front struts with coil spring assemblies, part numbers 572598 and 572597. They are ready for a quick and easy installation. Experience improved vehicle ride comfort and a better driving experience. Our premium struts are built to enhance your journey on the road. We stand behind our product with a lifetime warranty. Enjoy long-term protection and peace of mind for your vehicle. Please use the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool to ensure these parts are compatible with your specific vehicle. This guarantees a perfect match for your Corolla. What we like. With a lifetime warranty, this product provides long-term peace of mind and protection for your investment. It meets OE standards, promising a reliable performance that enhances your driving comfort. If you own a Toyota Corolla and prioritize durability and a smoother ride, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Amortiguadores Delanteros are a perfect fit for my car, and the installation was straightforward. I noticed a significant improvement in handling and stability after installing these Amortiguadores Delanteros. The ride is much smoother and more controlled, especially on bumpy roads. These Amortiguadores Delanteros are very durable and have held up well under daily use. They provide excellent shock absorption and reduce body roll during cornering. Number 3. Autosaver 88 Front Quick Struts for Buick LaCrosse and Allure. Introducing the Autosaver 88 Front Quick Struts, designed for a perfect fit. These are compatible with 2010 to 2016 Buick LaCrosse and 2010 Buick Allure models. Experience a safe and simple installation process. Our design features buckle holes that align with your vehicle's existing ones, allowing for a quick replacement without complex disassembly. This complete strut package includes everything you need. It comes with struts, coil springs, mounts, boots, and all necessary hardware for optimal performance. These are direct replacements for part numbers 172528 and 172529. They are built to meet all performance requirements for your vehicle. Consider replacing your existing struts if you notice abnormal sounds, sinking on rough roads, oil leaks, uneven tire wear, or difficulty controlling your vehicle. Ensure stability and a smooth ride. For optimal results and safety, professional installation is highly recommended. Ensure your vehicle is handled by experts for the best performance. What we like. Designed for a quick and simple replacement, this assembly minimizes downtime and effort. It's built to meet performance requirements, ensuring your Buick LaCrosse or Allure handles as it should. If you're looking for a direct fit and easy upgrade for your specific Buick model, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Amortiguadores Delanteros are a perfect fit for my car, and the installation was straightforward. I noticed a significant improvement in ride comfort and handling after installing these Amortiguadores Delanteros. These Amortiguadores Delanteros are very durable and have held up well under various driving conditions. Number 2. Autosaver 88 Front Struts for Journey V6. Upgrade your 2009 to 2019 Journey V6 with our complete front strut assembly. Ensure a smooth and stable ride for years to come. Designed for a safe and simple installation, these struts feature buckle holes that align with your vehicle's existing ones. You can easily replace them without complex disassembly. Our complete package includes everything you need: struts, coil springs, mount, boot, bumper kit, spring seat and isolator. All components are built to meet performance requirements. It's time for a replacement if you notice abnormal sounds, dipping under load, leakage, uneven tire wear, or difficulty controlling your vehicle. Don't compromise on safety and comfort. These parts will help restore your vehicle's stability and ensure precise control, even on challenging roads. For optimal performance and safety, professional installation is highly recommended. Ensure your new struts are fitted correctly for the best driving experience. What we like. This assembly is built to meet performance requirements, offering durable construction for consistent results. It's specifically designed for the Journey V6, ensuring a proper fit and stable performance. If you own a Journey and need reliable replacement parts that can handle the demands of your vehicle, this is a solid choice. What people say. The product is a perfect fit for the specified vehicle model. Installation was straightforward and the parts performed as expected. The Amortiguadores provide a smooth ride and improved handling. Number 1. Autosaver 88 Front Pair Strut Assembly from Mazda 3 and 5. Introducing the Autosaver 88 Front Pair Complete Strut and Spring Assembly. This product is designed for a seamless fit, ensuring your vehicle performs at its best. This assembly is compatible with various Mazda 3 and Mazda 5 models. Please refer to the description for exact fitment details to ensure it's the right choice for your car. Installation is made simple with buckle holes that align perfectly with your vehicle's existing ones. You can replace your old struts without needing to disassemble the entire structure. Our complete package includes everything you need: struts, coil springs, mounts, boots, and all necessary hardware. Each component is built to meet high-performance standards. It's time to replace your existing struts if you notice abnormal sounds, dipping under load, uneven tire wear, or difficulty in controlling your vehicle. These signs indicate a need for replacement. Trust in the quality of our parts, designed to meet stringent performance requirements. Ensure a smooth and stable ride with this reliable replacement. What we like. Engineered for a precise fit on Mazda 3 and Mazda 5 models, this assembly ensures optimal performance. It comes as a complete package, simplifying the replacement process. If you're looking for a direct fit solution that maintains the original driving dynamics of your Mazda, this is the product for you. What people say. They are a perfect fit for the vehicle. The installation was straightforward and the parts arrived quickly. The ride quality has significantly improved, with reduced body roll during cornering. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.